Meanwhile, the voter registration for the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections ended today. COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes said there will be no extension of the voter registration. Various groups have appealed to the poll body to be given more time, but the COMELEC said it will stick to this afternoon's 5 p.m. deadline. The Barangay and SK elections will be held on October 28. More from Noel Perfecto.
COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes personally closed the registration proceedings in the Arroz Extension Office, wherein a lot of action happened in the past 10 days of registration. It was exactly 5 o'clock in the afternoon today when Chairman Brillantes went to the Arroceros COMELEC office to stop all voters' registration for the Sangguniang Kabataan and Barangay elections on October of this year. Brillantes stressed that there won't be any extension of registration for the SK and Barangay polls in accordance to the law of the COMELEC. Registration started at 8 o'clock in the morning and will end at exactly 5 in the afternoon. Residents of Manila who failed to register appealed for more systematic registration after experiencing a mini stampede.
Sana magkaroon pa ng extension. Para makaboto lahat ng gustong bumoto.
Sana mapabilis yung proseso nila. Lalo na tinatagalan yung proseso. Lalo na marami yung tao.
Wala na nga ako mga chinilas, wala na yung chinilas ko, hindi pa rin kami nakapagparehistro.
A senior citizen was one of the victims of the pushing and jostling incident during the registration.
Nangingi ako Tapos? Nanginigantod ko, basang-basa kasi ito. Gusto naman ngayon. Opo.
The Manila City Hall REACT team immediately resolved the situation, saying that they are ready for any possible incident that will happen during the last day of registration.
Di bali po, inaano po natin na kasi nalamig po si nanay tsaka naugutom. Pinakain na po natin, nagpapahinga lang po siya.
So we are anticipating any kind of emergency right now. Sa utos din po ni Mayor na kailangan may rapid response tayo.
This is just one of the incidents being monitored by the officials of the City Hall reaction team, but according to the victims of the mini stampede, support of authorities is not enough to prevent the same incident. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.